because cleaning and decluttering and moving supplies around is so much easier when you have people to inspect it and prowl for you. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Misty Nicole. This is week 2 of the decluttering challenge. It was started by Roxanne and the Guy's Life. I will have the playlist for this collab in the description bar below so be able to check out Roxanne's channel and all the other wonderful ladies in this collab. As you can see, I'm diving right into this week's decluttering challenge by cleaning up my bedroom, making sure everything is straightened up because you can't really declutter until you get rid of the regular chores in your way. As you can see, I'm just vacuuming, making up the bed, pulling up all of the shades and sashes on the windows, giving everything a good general dust, making sure that the laundry is put up, my husband's clothes are laid out. He has a meeting coming up tomorrow, and when all of that is square, I can delve into decluttering, which I always like to do by lighting a few candles, making sure that I have some baskets available to put any donations before I start, and making sure that, again, all the everyday stuff is put up before I begin. I also even like to make sure that my bathroom and my ensuite is cleaned up before I start. Maybe it's OCD of me, but I can't really delve into the other stuff unless the nitpicky things are done first. Giving a good vacuum. And guys, if you haven't tried that Shark cordless duo, it's pretty awesome. I also love to turn on my diffuser, and here you can see duplicates of clothes that I already thought I got rid of, so I went ahead and pulled those to the side so that they can be donated, and went through all of my socks, workout clothes, and you know what? Summer is a great time to get perspective and to go through all your winter things as well. I also went ahead and set up my nightstands to make it a little more productive for my weeks ahead, including my light clock, my light therapy clock, my Himalayan salt lamp. I went ahead and put a few candles out. I also changed out the plants in my bedroom to cactuses because it's the only cat-proof plant I could think of. Definitely using terracotta, and I love these little old school desks because they hold books. They are awesome. I also did something a little out of the box. I went ahead and moved all of the little one's homeschooling school supplies to a drawer in my bedroom because I can delve out supplies and I need to start picking up sale stuff for back to school. And for some reason, when I don't have control of the supplies, they tend to go really quickly. Does anybody else have that problem? For some reason, 3M notepads and bookmarkers are a prized possession in my home. I also made some space. I have this really cute little shallow cubby under one of my built-in books shelves in my dining room, and so I'm going to use this. I'm going to go ahead and find some dollar stainless steel containers and move all of her crayons and whatever in here and have a coloring caddy area for her. I also went in the bedroom and I had my husband drill into the back side where you can't see it into our drawers. We have plugs in our closets, and now I have an official drawer to charge up all of my iPads and my MacBooks, and then I have a second drawer that I now have for things like R3 drones and Fitbits and iWatch and all that fun stuff. So now I have no electronics sitting out, and so that is a huge victory for me. I cannot recommend it enough. I also went ahead and did something pretty neat, I think. I took all of my clothes out of the bedroom. I moved all of my husband's clothes in and coats, and I actually took over the closet in my office. And so my thought with this is I went ahead and arranged all my clothes. Everything I own for all 4 seasons is in here with the exception of my suits and Louboutins and a few purses that are in another closet, but I have everything in here, and my theory is I can get up, walk the dogs, take a shower, hit my treadmill, which I also moved into my office, and my clothes are right here to go. This is so super simple and minimalist, and I'm really excited about it. So guys, that was this week's decluttering challenge. Again, check out that playlist below in the description bar for all the awesome ladies and Roxanne's. She is an awesome, awesome lady. With that said, please be kind to yourself and to others. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'd love it if you give us a subscribe.